Hello everyone, we are Goanwin. Today, we will introduce the application of the M1 160-ton straight-side single crank press in power fittings. This press adopts centralized lubrication with a circulation indicator device. The electric die adjustment system provides a reading accuracy of up to 0.01 millimeters, ensuring high safety. Equipped with a multifunctional electrical control system, it can be integrated with various automated peripheral devices to significantly enhance production efficiency. The slide block features a 4-corner, 8-sided long guide rail, offering excellent guidance and high precision. The machine body is made of welded steel plates, eliminating the deep throat disadvantage of traditional C-frame presses. It boasts high strength, superior rigidity, and outstanding accuracy.